Hello and welcome to the Bollywood show. This is Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I bring you the latest from the world of Bollywood, entertainment and social media. I know you all have your social media accounts and are very well updated, but trust me to give you all the details from the top headlines today. रिवील हुआ सुपरस्टार शाहरुख खान की अपकमिंग फिल्म का प्लॉट। राधे के शूट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए सलमान ने बनाई कैसी स्ट्रैटेजी। रणवीर सिंह के बर्थडे को वाइफ दीपिका पादुकोण ने स्पेशल विश के साथ बनाया एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल। अजय देवगन को प्राची देसाई ने याद दिलाई कौन सी बात। SRK has been away from the big screen since 2018. But after a break of almost 2 years, we hear that the actor may be all set to don the grease paint again. लगता है after a long hiatus from the big screen, शाहरुख खान लाइट्स और कैमरा के सामने आने के लिए रेडी है। SRK's next is going to be Rajkumar Hirani's comedy film, which is going to be based on a socially relevant topic on immigration from Punjab to Canada. इसके अलावा शाहरुख has also given a green light to a film being made by Raj and DK, which is going to be a cool action flick. बस अब लॉकडाउन के उठने की देरी है। According to the grapevine, SRK will be working on a film with Rajkumar Hirani that will see him play an immigrant who moves from Punjab to Canada. And like all Raja Hirani films, this too will be a social comedy based on the issue of immigration. SRK, who has been busy with his production house and making web series, took a sabbatical from acting after the commercial failure of his ambitious project Zero. SRK, who played a dwarf in the film that also starred Katrina and Anushka, decided to be very careful with his next film choice and has spent over a year and a half reading scripts before choosing to be a part of Raja Hirani's film. We hear कि उन्होंने राज और डीके के साथ एक कूल एक्शन फिल्म को भी ग्रीन लाइट किया है and hopefully he will start filming for both from August. Shahrukh, who has a cameo appearance in Ranbir and Alia's Brahmastra, will be going back to Punjab for his project with Raju Hirani because the story is about a happy-go-lucky man who moves from Punjab to Canada. A source close to the project has revealed details about the film and shared. Like all Raju Hirani films, it revolves around a serious, globally relevant issue and is treated with gentle humor. The story moves between Punjab and Canada. This guy is jovial, he'll make you laugh and get emotional. Shahrukh is growing his hair for the part. However, the film also requires a long outdoor schedule abroad. But ये तो international travel restrictions lift होने के बाद ही possible हो पाएगा। फिलहाल फिल्म के राइटर्स कनिका ढिलन, अभिजात जोशी एंड राजकुमार हिरानी स्क्रिप्ट को फाइनल टचेस दे रहे हैं to make sure that it is the perfect project for SRK to appear in after a very long break from the big screen. We hear that SRK has also decided to be a part of a cool action flick being made by the duo Raj and DK, who have given us hatke films like Stree and Go Goa Gone. इन दो फिल्मों के अलावा SRK will be playing a small role in R. Madhavan's Rocketry as a thank you to the actor who played a cameo in the film Zero. It's good to hear even rumors about SRK's comeback, and his fans are super excited and waiting for official announcements. After all, SRK को हमारे दिलों में रिप्लेस करना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है। Ranveer Singh has turned 35 and his wife couldn't have been happier. Deepika, who is in lockdown with Ranveer, shared a late-night post on social media with a beautiful monochrome picture where the two of them are seen celebrating a special occasion. Now we hope you had a great day Ranveer, but we'd love to know कि आपकी वाइफ ने आपको कैसे पैम्पर किया। Ranveer Singh turned 35 and had a lockdown birthday this year. And while we did feel bad, Ranveer couldn't be the life of the party, he got to spend the whole day with his love of his life, his wife Deepika Padukone. Deepika and Ranveer से दीपवीर तक का सफर almost took 6 years and Ranveer ने अपनी दीपिका को love, loyalty और ढेर सारे flowers से woo किया. After which she just had to say I do.
About 6 months into dating, I knew that she was the one, and I wanted her to be mine for life. So I was very, very diligent about courting her and wooing her. So yes, every time she'd come, there would be flowers, and I would make ridiculously compressed trips to go and meet her if she was shooting somewhere else.
So on his birthday, Deepika shared a special wish for her darling husband.
Thank you, Baba.
उन्होंने एक ब्यूटीफुल मोनोक्रोम पिक्चर पोस्ट किया जहां वो और रणवीर एक साथ सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं एंड शी हैड अ रोमांटिक कैप्शन टू accompany the picture where the two are celebrating together. दीपिका ने रणवीर के लिए पोस्ट की गई बर्थडे विश में लिखा है The light of my life, the center of my universe. I wish you good health and peace of mind in abundance. As for the rest, I'll tell you in person. I love you. Deepika and Ranveer have been in lockdown together for the past 3 months. लेकिन शादी के लॉकडाउन में एंटर हुए उन्हें इस नवंबर में 2 साल हो जाएंगे.
After we got married, the year following our marriage was busy for the both of us, so it's given us time to rediscover each other in a different way, bond with each other. And yeah.
The two met on the sets of Ram Leela, where sparks flew immediately. लेकिन it was a long courtship for the two lovebirds who worked in 3 films before finally becoming man and wife.
You're my best friend. Oh, thank you. Am I yours? No.
While they always kept their relationship under wraps and never really spoke about it publicly, they indulged in plenty of PDA on social media, leaving adorable comments on each other's social media posts and totally adorable together. Whether it was promotional activities for films or red carpet events. उन्होंने लाख छुपाने की कोशिश की, पर प्यार छुपाए नहीं छुपता.
मैं बंद गया हूँ गृहस्थी में.
शादी से पहले भी they set couple goals with their adorable comments on each other's social media posts. Whether it was Ranveer's comments on Deepika's solo red carpet appearances at Cannes and the Met Gala, or her comments on Ranveer looking handsome in his selfies. Deepika और Ranveer ने हमेशा एक दूसरे को support किया है and have proven to truly be an ideal power couple in Bollywood. After a long courtship, दोनों ने इटली में शादी की and they looked absolutely stunning as they exchanged vows in wedding ceremonies to celebrate both their backgrounds. After all the ups and downs that they went through together, it was amazing to see the two of them be united for a beautiful happily ever after. Ranveer, आप हमेशा खुश रहें and may you always have your lady love by your side and keep pampering you.
Thank you, Baba.
Bhai is back, or at least he will be coming in August. हमें सोर्सेस से पता चला है that Salman, who has been in Panvel during the lockdown with family and close friends, is all set to complete the pending schedule for his film Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai. Salman Khan, who is in Panvel at his farmhouse, spending quality time with his family and friends, making music videos and working out, is all set to be the most wanted Bhai. सुनने में आया है that Salman has booked an entire floor of Mehboob Studio for the whole month of August so that they can shoot all the pending scenes, including a song from the film Radhe, and complete it quickly. Salman has apparently requested for an entire floor in Mehboob Studio to be booked for the month of August. and the star wants to finish the pending scenes and one song so the movie can be completed for release in case theatres open up in the second half of the year. Radhe, which is being directed by Prabhu Deva and stars Salman and Disha Patni, who plays his love interest, was about to complete filming when the lockdown was enforced. We had heard that the film had only a couple of scenes and a song pending, which had been planned as an international shoot, jab sare shoots rok diye gaye. In fact, if not for the lockdown, Radhe would have been yet another Eid blockbuster from Salman. लेकिन अब almost 4 महीने बाद Salman is eager to wrap up work on Radhe, which is now long overdue. A source close to the project reveals that Salman has requested that an entire floor of Mehboob Studio in Bandra be booked for a month, so that all the remaining portions can be filmed with a minimal crew and all safety mechanisms in place. The source also shared, in August, several films are expected to go on floors. Salman, along with producer Atul Agnihotri and director Prabhu Deva, has gone back to the drawing board to devise ways of filming without compromising on the movie scale. They are reworking the pending portions, including a song, so that they can be shot with a minimal crew. The studio is likely to be booked from the first week of August, with Salman hoping to call it a wrap by the month end. Well, it looks like things are going back to normal or a new normal in Bollywood. And with many actors resuming shoots, can we expect a big A-lister clash at the box office for Diwali? Well, here's hoping. Ajay Devgan ko mila ek timely reminder when he posted a picture celebrating the 8th anniversary of his film Bol Bachchan. Now Ajay posted pictures of only himself, Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan and Rohit Shetty. He made a collage out of it. But actress Prachi Desai, who was a part of the film, reminded Ajay that even she, Asin and some senior actors like Asrani ji were also a part of the film. और अगर फिल्मी टर्म्स में इस चीज को कहे तो अजय से थोड़ा गोलमाल हो गया. Of course, he can post whatever he wants to on his own social media account, but a little mention here for the actresses and the senior actors could have been nice.
शर्मिंदा मत करिए. मेरा मानना है कि इस फिल्म में जितने भी कलाकार हैं, सब ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. There's no one standout performance.
It was a bit of an awkward moment in B-Town when actor Prachi Desai had to remind Ajay Devgan that Bol Bachchan also starred her, Asin and senior actors like Asrani ji and Neeraj Vora.
Sorry to be cliched, but everybody's going to tell you that, but it's just true.
Celebrating the 8th anniversary of comedy film Bol Bachchan, Ajay Devgan had shared a post on his social media account remembering his memories of making the film. अजय ने अपने पोस्ट में कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स शेयर किए which featured only Abhishek Bachchan and Amitabh Bachchan, who made a special appearance in a song for the film. Ajay wrote, "When the Bachchans speak, I listen, especially Amit ji. #8 years of Bol Bachchan," and he tagged Senior Bachchan, Junior Bachchan and Rohit Shetty. Bol Bachchan, which was directed by Rohit Shetty, starred Asin as Ajay Devgan's love interest, while Prachi Desai was seen opposite Abhishek Bachchan. Ajay's post caught Prachi Desai's eye, and she responded to his celebratory post with a reminder कि फिल्म में और भी cast members थे, including 2 leading ladies and some wonderful character actors. Prachi said, "Hey Ajay Devgan, looks like you forgot to mention the rest of us, aka Asin, Krishna, Apshaha, Asrani ji, Neeraj Vora ji, Jeetu Verma, yours truly, and everyone involved in making this baller of a film, 8 years of Bol Bachchan."
शर्मिंदा मत करिए. मेरा मानना है कि इस फिल्म में जितने भी कलाकार हैं, सब ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है. There's no one standout performance.
Many netizens congratulated Prachi on responding to a big star like Ajay Devgan, while others also used the opportunity to congratulate the team on the film, which was a complete entertainer with plenty of laughs. Bol Bachchan was inspired by yesteryear classic Golmaal, where Ajay Devgan played a character adapted from Utpal Dutt's role, while Abhishek was the man without the mooch like Amol Palekar in the original.
Abhishek ke liye one of Abhishek's best performances in his career. Abhishek Bachchan at his best.
Bol Bachchan was a big film for Abhishek as well, who finally had the big hit he needed with this movie.
Fantastic, man. I mean, you can see I'm smiling. I'm very, very happy. I think the first initial screenings have gone very well.
While the men had all the major parts, as they always do in many mainstream Bollywood films, Prachi and Asin had important roles to play in the story. और शायद इसलिए प्राची का थोड़ा बुरा मानना या फिर अजय को रिमाइंड कराना is only fair. No one likes to be forgotten after putting in all that hard work. Happy 8th anniversary to the entire team of Bol Bachchan, including Prachi, Asin, Asrani Ji, Krishna Abhishek and Neeraj Vora. It was heartbreaking to see Sushant Singh Rajput on screen again as the trailer of Dil Bechara finally released on social media. It was a bittersweet moment to see Sushant Singh Rajput in the trailer of his last film Dil Bechara. The movie will be released on an OTT platform on the 24th of this month. But his fans and his colleagues couldn't help but wish कि काश सुशांत भी होते और इस ट्रेलर और फिल्म को साथ देख पाते. You are truly missed, सुशांत. आपको ट्रेलर में देखकर खुशी तो हुई, लेकिन आपके जाने का गम और भी गहरा हो गया. The film, which will release on an OTT platform after a long wait, Sushant की last on-screen appearance होगी. While Sushant's fans were understandably moved, Bollywood was also in a sentimental mood as many of Sushant's former co-stars and other members of the film fraternity shared the trailer on their social media profiles with emojis and messages remembering a star we lost too soon. Sara Ali Khan, who made her debut opposite Sushant in Kedarnath, shared the trailer and added an emotional note which said, "Sushant Singh Rajput, one last time." Kriti Sanon, who had shared an emotional note when the actor passed away and was his leading lady in Rabta, also shared the trailer with a caption that will tug at your heartstrings. Kriti wrote, "Dil Bechara. It's gonna be really hard to watch this one. But how can I not? #Sush." Kiara Advani, who starred opposite Sushant in MS Dhoni, The Untold Story, has also shared the trailer with a heart emoji like Anushka Sharma, who remembered her PK co-star on the day the trailer of his last film released. Farhan Akhtar, Bhumi Pednekar, Ayushmann Khurrana, Rakul Preet Singh, Kartik Aaryan, Siddharth Malhotra and Anil Kapoor were amongst the many other celebrities जिन्होंने ये बहुत ही खास ट्रेलर अपने सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट के थ्रू शेयर किया और सुशांत को याद करते हुए फिल्म के बाकी कास्ट मेंबर्स को बधाई दी. The trailer also seems to have struck a chord with Sushant's fans, with one dialogue in particular going viral. डायलॉग में सुशांत कैरेक्टर सेज, जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है ये हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते, पर कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. इन अ क्रूअल ट्विस्ट ऑफ फेट, सुशांत ने जिस तरह अपनी जिंदगी को आगे ना जीने का फैसला लिया, इस डायलॉग को और भी हार्ट रेंचिंग बनाता है. Many of his fans have shared posts on social media with this line of dialogue and the wish कि सुशांत ने अपनी जिंदगी को एक और मौका दिया होता. One user shared, जन्म कब लेना है और कब मरना है वो हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सके, Wish you did not decide this for you. Hashtag Sushant Singh Rajput. Hashtag Dil Bechara trailer. Another user shared, जन्म कब लेना है और मरना कब है हम डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं, लेकिन कैसे जीना है वो हम डिसाइड कर सकते हैं. This dialogue is enough to make you emotional. There was a lot of nervous energy and emotions ran high in anticipation of the trailer's release. And a video that was shared of Sushant and the film's lead Sanjana Sanghi dancing together during the shoot of the film. सुशांत की चार्मिंग स्माइल और उनके अमेजिंग ऑन स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस को देखकर वाकई बहुत अफसोस हुआ कि इतने टैलेंटेड और यंग एक्टर को बॉलीवुड ने खो दिया. सुशांत, अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी कांट ब्रिंग यू बैक, लेकिन वी होप कि अब आप जहां भी हैं, यू आर स्माइलिंग डाउन ऑन दोज हु मिस यू एंड लव यू फॉर योर सिनेमा. Alright then, शो में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक. Guys, stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. It has been a very difficult year for Bollywood. Along with films getting delayed and theatres facing huge losses, the industry has also lost so many talented artists. Irfan Khan, Rishi Kapoor, Wajid Khan, Sushant Singh Rajput and Saroj Khan, all of whom have passed away in the past 3 months. It's been over 2 months now since Irfan lost a brave battle to cancer. His family remembers him by sharing pictures and videos on their social media accounts. And just recently, a photo sharing app has memorialized Irfan Khan's profile on their platform with a tag no one would like to see. Remembering Irfan Khan again, an immensely talented actor gone too soon. After Sushant's social media page was memorialized with word remembering being added to it, actor Irfan Khan's page too has been memorialized by the photo sharing platform. Sushant Singh Rajput, who passed away on the 14th June, had a profile on a photo sharing app that has now been memorialized since his family wants to keep his profiles available to his fans. The word remembering was added above his name to indicate that he has passed away. Now the same photo sharing app has memorialized late actor Irfan Khan's profile as well. Irfan battled a rare form of neuroendocrine cancer for 2 years before our loss became heaven's gain. As per the social media app's policy, the accounts which are memorialized are termed as places to remember someone's life after they have passed away. After Sushant, now Irfan's profile has also been made into a memorialized account. After Irfan passed away, his family has been sharing memories of the actor on social media, remembering his love for the rains, gardening, and how much they miss just speaking to him and having him around. Irfan's wife Sutapa often shares emotional posts on her social media page and recently shared that the lotus flowers the actor planted with a lot of care are blooming and making her feel his presence. जब पहली बारिश हुई तब भी सुतापा ने अपने हस्बैंड को याद किया था और कहा था कि बारिश उनके प्यार को बरसा रही है. Babil, Irfan's son too, has shared that the actor had a special connection with the rain and also shared a post when Sushant passed away questioning why the universe took away talented artists. इरफान जैसे टैलेंटेड एक्टर और अच्छे इंसान शायद ही इंडस्ट्री में दोबारा हो. And while we are still coming to terms with the fact that we will never see him again on screen, at least उनके सोशल मीडिया पेज पे जाके कुछ देर उनसे रूबरू होने का एहसास होगा. After we got the good news earlier this year that Arjun Kapoor and Nikhil Advani had teamed up for a film that also stars Rakul Preet Singh and Neena Gupta, फिल्म के बारे में कुछ नई न्यूज हमारे हाथ लगी है. Neena Gupta, who's enjoying a new phase in her career, is all set to dazzle on screen yet again, but in a new avatar. She will be in director Nikhil Advani's film, which is a cross-border drama and talks about a grandmother and a grandchild relationship. Neena ji will be playing grandmother to Arjun Kapoor in the film, which also stars Rakul Preet Singh. Badhai ho Neena ji, we are very excited to see you in this new avatar. The movie, which was being filmed when the lockdown was announced, has no title yet. Lekin ab rumor has it that the movie is a cross-border drama that focuses on relationships. Cross-border love stories are quite a popular theme in Bollywood, with many films like Refugee, Gadar Ek Prem Katha and Pinjar and even Razi have been made with the issue of cross-border tensions as the backdrop. अर्जुन की ये फिल्म थोड़ी अनोखी है. While Bajrangi Bhaijaan focused on the relationship between a lost girl and a helpful man, this film, being directed by Kashvi Nair, will tell a brand new story about a grandmother and her grandchild जो borders की वजह से separate हो जाते हैं. A source has revealed Neena Gupta plays a prominent lead in the Kashvi Nair film. She will essay the role of Arjun's grandmother, and whole cross-border angle is regarding their characters. It's a human relationship drama about a grandma and her grandchild separated by borders. While parents और children के bond पर कई फिल्में बन चुकी है, this will be the first time that a film promises to focus on the relationship between a grandparent and a grandchild. Neena ji, जो एक बहुत ही talented artist है, is finally getting her due with so many varied roles in films like Badhai Ho, Shubh Mangal Savdhan, short films and web series. We hear कि इस फिल्म में भी नीना जी का रोल is one of the main lead roles of the film, and she had agreed to do the project as soon as she heard the script. Speaking about the film, a close source to the project reveals Neena ji's role is nothing less than a female lead's part, and it's also a never-seen-before role for the actress. When the makers were ideating on the script, she was their first choice, and Neena loved the role. It will also have a very emotional angle between Arjun and Neena's characters that will drive the whole narrative. Neena ji is currently at her home in Mukteshwar, where she has been spending time during the lockdown. But we hope that with shoots slowly resuming, वो भी पहाड़ों से उतर के फिल्म सेट्स पे जल्द पहुंचेंगी, and we will get to hear lots of update about the movie. अच्छा, तो हम चलते हैं. Well, that's it guys for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to leave your comments down below on our social media handle and digital platform, and I will be reading them personally, guys. I'll know what you guys are liking and what you guys are not liking. But for now, this is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off. See you tomorrow, same time, same place. Bye-bye.